Okay, so today I've been playing around in the van. I'm testing out this cool gadget. If you're a bungee cord lover, the infinity tool from Maru. As you can see, I have one on my wrist, and one of them is holding our workout mat together. And under the bench seat, we have a little picnic table. And it fits perfect here, but I wanted to put something to hold it in place. And the infinity tool is doing just that. It's working out great. Anyway, check them out. I'm not trying to sell you anything. The infinity tool.